Get out of here. Go.
Let's go. I don't have to give you shit.
Okay, laws are different here.
I don't have to give you shit.
Back off. You want to take it?
For what?
Passenger removed from a commercial flight refused to identify himself to police. P invoked constitutional rights in 2 states. P was wrong in both.
What do you think?
How you doing?
Be next to me, bro.
What's that?
You don't have to be next to us.
Oh, we got called here, sir.
For what?
So once you guys get rebooked, we have to have a conversation.
Yeah. I don't know. You don't have to be next to me.
I'm not next to you.
What did I do?
We'll talk after you get rebooked,
No, I
sir.
don't have to talk to you about shit. What did I do? We got
What's up?
a lot of you.
No, you're good.
What happened was you guys put off the airplane for the appearance of intoxication. So you can deny boarding and your ticket will be refunded. You won't be charged. Behavior to police officers. I don't believe that you won't be doing that to the flight attendants or our flight tomorrow. So you will be canceled. Yes, please. Unfortunately.
So we gotta get a flight.
I respect it. No, I respect
100%. Yeah. Oh wait, we have a car. I'm cool with that. That's a
No, you are an idiot. Get out of here. Go.
Let's go.
We have to have a conversation real quick before you guys leave.
Okay. Go what?
Do you guys have your IDs on you?
Yeah.
Okay. Just because we got called here?
I don't have to give you my ID at all.
Okay, you need to identify
No, I
yourself
don't.
to me.
No, I don't. No, I don't.
Just show it. Give
No,
me.
I
So
don't.
I'm going to give you 2 options right now.
Why don't you
What?
just give him
I don't
I
have to
need
give
to
my ID,
identify
bro.
you, or you're getting arrested for public intoxication. My name's Officer
You can give
Haynes.
me a ticket.
Airport
You can give me a
police.
ticket
No,
for
you're getting
that.
arrested if I do
Just
this.
give me your ID.
my
You
God.
live
You
at
don't have to
home.
give me
This
shit.
is mine.
Yeah.
I get
don't
it.
have to give you
I was
moved
here
here
for
from
my
Las
niece's
Vegas.
birthday,
I don't have to give you
17th
shit.
birthday.
Okay, laws are different here.
I don't have to give you shit, to be
Okay.
honest.
You want to give me that or you want to get
I'll
arrested?
give it to you, yeah.
Okay.
I don't have to give you shit. To be honest, I don't have to give you shit. Look at all these goddamn cops.
Stop it.
No,
Stop it.
I don't have to give you shit.
Stop it.
Name at all, bro.
Stop it. Just
At all.
we are good citizens.
I know we are, but I don't have to give you shit.
I came from Las Vegas.
I don't have to
live
give
in
you
Las
shit.
Vegas. Okay.
I do not have to give you my
Stop
goddamn
it.
already
Just
gave me
be
your
a
ID.
nice.
I'm trying to be cool.
Legally, I don't have to give you shit.
Okay, fine, big.
So you think in Las Vegas you don't have to identify yourself when
Yes,
the
I
cops
don't.
come?
I don't.
Oh,
For
you
what
do.
crime? What crime? What crime did I do?
Public-
Oh my God.
Why did you
That's
get
a
denied
misdemeanor.
boarding? Why did
That's
you
a
get denied boarding?
misdemeanor.
Hey, sir. You might just step away from him a little bit. Get out of his face, all right?
He knows. No, you know. It is a misdemeanor, right?
You can get it's an 8-hour hold.
Yeah. No,
We'll be
it's
back
not.
in the-
Hell
Oh,
no,
it
it's
is.
not. All right, give my ID back.
I will when we're done. I will.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I'll take it back. I don't got shit, so give my ID back.
Yeah, back off. You want to take it?
For what?
You're going to jail.
Control.
What?
Public intoxication.
Control 1015. Sir, if you just allow our officers to talk to you, okay?
Stop it.
Alright.
Stop it.
Look, give her my ID.
Nah, it'll go with you to jail, okay? Alright.
Ah,
I'm ready.
call it my mom.
give a shit.
Like,
Yeah.
You keep his luggage and everything if you want, but
Can I keep? Yeah, I'm calling
you keep all that. But
my mom. Wait,
Change it to power.
no, come get me.
Leaning out a little bit.
Text me where you're at.
Don't put your hand on me. First of all, I'm f***ing cool, bro. You don't have to f***ing put your hands on me like that. Because I'll get like that if you want me to.
So what's going to happen, he's going to get booked on an 8-hour hold.
Okay.
In the morning, he'll get released. You guys can rebook, obviously not with Southwest.
Obviously.
So come back, you can rebook, you can get on a flight, you can get back. But obviously his attitude, we don't deal with that here.
I wouldn't either.
And I knew you were on the phone, or do you have someone coming to
Yeah,
get you?
my mom.
Oh, okay, okay.
Coming,
So you
yeah.
have a place to stay?
Yeah, I'm good.
And I can help you
And
with
I'm
your
sorry,
bags.
like, no, I don't need you to.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm
Okay,
good.
okay.
I just, they're 10 minutes away from me, so I'm fine.
Okay.
I'm fine, but
I tried-
I just
I tried
I don't
to be-
understand why he was such a. I don't understand, like.
Did you guys drink here at the airport, or did y'all drink before you came in here?
We drank before we got.
Okay. They like to know which bar we need in case we have to like
Yeah, no.
go
no.
talk to one of the bartenders or something like that. You know, they like us to ask that stuff. So,
If you
are
have
you sure you
your
got
mom-
everything?
Yeah.
If you ever come pick you up, just have her pick you up on the 3rd level. Instead of going down to the 2nd level, the arrivals,
Okay.
have her pick you up at the departures.
She
That way
asked, and I was like, just tell me where you are, and I'll find you.
Okay.
Because my brother lives here, so I come here all the time.
Okay, yeah.
Okay. Thank you. I'm sorry.
Tried to be as cool with your husband as I could, but unfortunately,
I don't know
just-
why he's being such a. Like,
We appreciate your cooperation for sure.
thank you for being cooperative.
Don't push me.
Then walk.
I'm gonna walk. Idiot. Dumbass. Shit. Don't push my face in that shit.
I have no reason to do that.
What you did?
They're automatic
You
doors.
almost did. Asshole. I like this guy beside
The
me.
car camera. Now you got some more wiggle room, okay?
And by the way,
Nope.
Tennessee baseball too.
Tennessee baseball. Heard that.
I play that heck down.
You got room in both of those. We're gonna lock them down for you, okay?
I'm going to jail.
Yeah, you're going to jail for
Okay.
disorderly conduct and public intoxication today.
Okay. And I get you bailed out in like what, 3 hours?
8-hour hold.
What?
8 hours in Tennessee.
Just reach across and grab the seatbelt, okay?
Go ahead, bro.
Thank you.
Do what you gotta do, man. I'm okay with that. Yeah, it is what it is.
If you want some hair, just let me know. I can
No,
turn it
no,
off.
shit. It is what it is, bro. I messed up.
I'm going to jail. Nope, that's where you're going. Not a probably.
I don't know what I've been waiting for.
They're writing their arrest report.
If we're new, why don't you just do it now?
They are doing it right now.
So what we're waiting for?
For them to write their arrest report, like I just said.
Where the
They do going as fast as they can, Big Papa.
Come on, let's go.
We can't go yet.
Well, let's go. Junior.
I'm listening, man.
Write me up, Junior.
Right, you up.
Right, you up.
Yeah, you little junior ass. Yeah, tell him you support it. Yeah,
Spit it out.
class. And you.
What does the law actually require when an officer demands your identification? What are the legal consequences of asserting a right you do not possess? This is not a case about police misconduct. It is a case about the gap between legal confidence and legal knowledge. Legal framework. Stop and identify authority. Tennessee Code Annotated, Section 47103. Officers may demand identification from any person reasonably suspected of a criminal offense in a public place. Reasonable suspicion. Terry v. Ohio 1000. 968. Prior removal from a commercial aircraft for verbal aggression satisfies this threshold independently. Constitutional validity. Peerbell v. 6th Judicial District Court of Nevada, 2004. Stop and identify statutes do not violate the 4th or 5th Amendment during a lawful Terry stop. 5th Amendment limit. Providing a name and address is not testimonial self-incrimination. Peerbell 2004 forecloses this argument explicitly. Protection simply does not apply here. Jurisdictional claim. The subject asserted Nevada law permits refusal to identify. Nevada Revised Statutes, Section 171.123, also requires identification during a lawful stop. The claim was factually false in both states. Public intoxication. Tennessee Code Section 3917-310. 3 elements. Public place. Influence of alcohol. And either endangerment to self or unreasonable annoyance to others in the vicinity. Admitted alcohol consumption. Prior aircraft disturbance. Continued disruptive conduct at the gate. Each element of Section 3917-310 was independently satisfied on camera. 8-hour detoxification hold. Authorized under Section 3917-310. For proportionate statutory mechanisms distinct from formal arrest and booking. No separate probable cause finding is required beyond the intoxication itself. Disorderly conduct. Tennessee Code Section 3917-305 requires fighting, threatening behavior, or unreasonable noise in a public place. Both the aircraft disturbance and the gate conduct satisfy this element independently. Use of force standard. Graham v. Connor 1000. 989. Reasonableness is judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment of decision, not in hindsight. Civil liability exposure. 42 United States Code Section 1000. 983 requires a constitutional violation under color of state law. Officers acting within Section 47103 authority present a legally weak basis for such a claim. Brown v. Texas 1000. 979. A stop and identify demand requires more than mere presence in a location. Prior affirmative misconduct provided the necessary legal predicate here. 3 independent charges. Section 47103 violation. Section 3917-310 public intoxication. Section 3917-305 disorderly conduct. Each is legally defensible on the evidence alone, without reliance on the others. Key lessons. Lesson 1. Asserting a right you do not possess is not protected conduct. Refusal to comply with a lawful identification demand is a statutory violation, not a constitutional exercise. Lesson 2. Residency does not determine which state law applies. The law of the jurisdiction where you are physically present governs your obligations at that moment. Lesson 3. The correct remedy for a disputed stop and identify demand is compliance at the scene and legal challenge in court, not refusal on the street. Lessons 4. 3 separate criminal charges can arise from a single encounter. Each carries its own independent probable cause analysis and each can be prosecuted separately. Open questions. Charges were filed. The 8-hour hold was served. But the court record for this case is not publicly available at the time of this analysis. What happened next? First Amendment doctrine under City of Houston v. Hill 1000. 987 protects offensive verbal speech directed at law enforcement. If the conduct here was purely verbal, where exactly does the constitutional line fall? At what point does verbal conduct in a public transportation hub cross from protected First Amendment speech into criminal disorderly conduct under Tennessee Code Section 3917-305? The disposition of these charges remains unknown. Were they sustained, reduced, or dismissed on First Amendment grounds? That question is still open.